Alright guys, it's Neil here with Wondershare FilmoraGo. We're here to help you create your videos anywhere on the go. Today we're going to dive into the Magic Spell sticker pack, and I'm going to show you how you can use these along with some masking to create a really cool telekinesis effect. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is set your phone up on a tripod to shoot horizontally. Then record a video of yourself making telekinetic gestures and facial expressions with a static can on the left of the screen. Record another video where you crush and move the can into different positions. Use a marker to make sure that the can doesn't move from its spot. So now let's open our FilmoraGo app, and we're going to import the first clip that we filmed, the one with the arm actions, onto our timeline. Top and tail the clip to get rid of any footage at the start and end that you don't need. You can do this by holding and dragging, or selecting the clip, selecting split, and then deleting the footage you don't need. Now using PIP, picture in picture, import your second clip with the various can sequences. Go through the video and cut out just the sections with the can on its own, and delete anything in between by using the split and delete tools. Now go to the first hand gesture and line up the first can position to match the gesture. Resize the clip so it matches the clip underneath. Select the mask tool and choose rectangle mask. Using the top and right arrows, stretch out the mask and mask the left hand side of the screen. Use the down arrow to feather out the mask to blend the two clips. Repeat this for each hand gesture and each can position. Now choose the sticker option from the menu. Go to the shop icon and in materials go to effects. Find the Magic Spells pack and click go. Select one of the effects and it will appear on your video. Resize it and make sure the start and end points match the can changing shape. Repeat the process for each change. You can also rotate the effects. Then simply export your telekinesis video or send it to your social media channels. So there you go guys, really cool little telekinesis effect that you can try out for yourselves in Wondershare FilmoraGo. And I'll catch you in the next video.